Brewer cleaning. Press the menu button for 5 seconds to enter the menu. Press Start to enter the maintenance menu. Navigate with the left and right arrows to clean Brewer. Press the Start button to start the cleaning program. The instructions are shown to you in the machine display. Remove the drip and waste tray from the machine. Fill the water tank, empty the drip tray and waste tray. Place these back when completed. Place a measuring jug on the tray and press Start. Caution! Hot water is now dispensed from the drink outlet. Remove and empty the measuring jug. Press the right arrow to continue. Open the side panel and remove the brewer. Push the yellow lever upwards as shown here to unlock the brewer. Clean the brewer compartment with a clean cloth or paper towel. Clean the brewer under a running tap, rinse off any coffee remains from the brewer. Dry the brewer before placing it back into the machine. Slide the right part of the brewer back into its position until you hear a click. This confirms that it is locked. Insert a cleaning tablet into the brewer chamber as shown here. Press the right arrow to continue. Close the side panel. Place the measuring jug on the tray and press Start. Caution! Hot water is being dispensed from the drink outlet. Remove and empty the measuring jug. Remove the drip and waste tray from the machine. Clean the parts and place them back into the machine. Press Start to confirm that the cleaning program has been completed. Thanks for your attention.